the sky for proof. I've been shaping dust and stone since before you learned the road. I leave color where I bend, I take water where I end. If the ground is split in two, that's a choice I follow through. You can call it mercy, you can call it blame. Either way the land remembers who remains. I come slow, I leave wide, I don't promise, I decide. When the river fills your hands or the cracks divide the land, it's not luck, it's not chance, it's after the rain decides. I sleep low beneath the clay while the heat forgets your name. When the wells all turn to dust, I am still where I must. You can pray or you can wait, you can learn or curse the gate, but the water knows the truth before it ever comes to you. Every thirst is just a question, every flood's a reply. I come slow, I leave wide, I don't promise, I decide. When the river fills your hands or the cracks divide the land, it's not luck, it's not chance, it's after the rain decides. Without regret, care for what you ask to grow, or learn the cost of letting go. I come slow, I leave wide, I don't threaten, I abide. When the sky breaks open clean or withholds what might have been, it's not love, it's not spite, it's after the rain decides.